In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notification sounds in Google Chat. If you want to hear a sound the moment a new message arrives, this quick walkthrough will get you set up in just a minute. We'll go from opening Google Chat to adjusting a single setting so you never miss an important ping during your day. First, open Google Chat. You can launch it directly in your web browser by going to the Google Chat site, or by opening it from within your Google Workspace if that's how you usually access it. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so the settings you change apply to the chats you actually use. Once Google Chat is open, look toward the top right corner of the window for the settings gear icon. It looks like a small cog. Click that gear to open the settings panel. If you don't see it right away, try maximizing your window or closing any side panels so the top bar is fully visible. The gear is the central place where you control how chat behaves, including what you hear and when you're notified. Inside Settings, find and select Notifications. This is the area that controls when and how chat gets your attention. Clicking Notifications opens up options specific to alerts, and it's where you'll enable the sound you're looking for. Now, turn on Notification Sounds. Look for the toggle or checkbox labeled Notification Sounds and switch it on. That's the key action. With this enabled, you'll hear a short sound whenever a message arrives, helping you catch new conversations as they happen without constantly checking your screen. A few tips to make sure this works as expected. Confirm your computer's volume isn't muted and that your operating system's Do Not Disturb or Focus mode is turned off when you want to hear alerts. Also, if you're using a web browser, check that the browser tab isn't muted and that site notifications are allowed. These don't change the setting you just enabled, but they can affect whether you actually hear the chime. When you're done, you can close the settings panel. That's it. Notification sounds are now on. If you ever want to turn them off, just return to the same place and switch the option back. Remember, this setting simply adds a sound to your notifications, making it easier to notice new messages right away. Thanks for watching. With notification sounds enabled in Google Chat, you'll stay on top of conversations and respond faster, without needing to keep one eye on your screen.